Now finally, they finally did it. They finally listened to the many complaints and they got it done.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
So first off, welcome to Wrenchettes, where I only don't work on beautiful cars like this G35, but on life as well. Now, Via finally listened to the number one complaint that they had on their checklist, and that was that they did not offer quick pay or instant cash out like Uber and Lyft. And to my honest opinion, I should have put that on the 5 things that I hate about Via, that they didn't offer instant pay. Because one of the appeal of being in rideshare is that you can cash out the same day. Like if you need to pay a cell phone bill, you go out, you work, and you pay the cell phone bill the same day. That's the appeal, or like one of the most appealing thing about the rideshare that Uber and Lyft and Juno has. But Via was left in the dust. Yes, they pay good. Yes, they give you guaranteed money, but that was crippling the company. And every time they sent me a survey, the first thing I said is get instant cash out, get quick pay. And now I finally logged in yesterday and I got the message that they are now offering quick pay. Now they do have stipulations. You cannot cash out like the invite code promotion money. Like when you invite somebody and they give you the money for that, you can't do that yet. And the reimbursements for toll bridges, you still can't cash that out like right away. You still have to wait until the next week, blah, 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 blah. But they're working on it and they will include that hopefully in the near future. But they got this done, so I'm pretty sure they will get the other part done. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys are happy about this news. Stay safe out there.